In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the slope in Google Sheets. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, make sure you have Google Sheets open and ready to go. If you're not logged into your Google account, you'll want to do that first. Once you're in, you can either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one to follow along with these steps. Now, imagine you're working with a data set that includes two columns, one for the independent variable, likely labeled as A2, A13, and one for the dependent variable, labeled B2, B13. The first task is to select the cell where you want the slope calculation to appear. Let's use cell D2 for this example. Click on cell D2 to make sure it's highlighted and ready for input. Once you have cell D2 selected, we're going to enter a formula that calculates the slope of your data set. Type in the formula equals slope open parenthesis B2 colon B13 comma A2 colon A13 close parenthesis. Let me explain this formula a bit. The slope function takes two ranges of cells as its arguments. The first range, B2, B13, represents the known y values, or your dependent data. The second range, A2, A13, is for the known x values, or your independent data. It's crucial to make sure these ranges accurately reflect your data set for the slope function to return the correct result. After you've typed in the formula, you'll press the Enter key. This action tells Google Sheets to calculate the slope based on the input data ranges. Once you do this, you'll see a value appear in cell D2. This number is the slope of the linear relationship between your x and y data, indicating how much the y variable changes, on average, for each unit increase in x. Now you might want to give that data a bit of visual flair by highlighting the result. To do this, simply click on the cell with the slope calculation to select it. Afterward, you'll notice a variety of options in the toolbar at the top of your screen. You can change the background color of the cell by clicking on the fill color icon, which looks like a little paint bucket. Choose a color you like to make the cell stand out, and that's it. You've successfully calculated and highlighted the slope in Google Sheets. By following these steps, you can quickly analyze data trends and make informed decisions based on the relationships within your data set. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more of Google Sheets' powerful functions and features. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.